오늘은 who, when, where, what, how, why로 시작하는 문장 연속 듣고 말하기.
Who?
당신은 누구세요?
Who are you? Who are you?
그게 누군데요?
Who is that? Who is that?
전화 거신 분은 누구세요?
Who is calling? Who is calling?
당신 친구는 누구예요?
Who is your friend? Who is your friend?
누가 오나요?
Who is coming? Who is coming?
누구 책임인가요?
Who is responsible? Who is responsible?
보스가 누구인가요?
Who is the boss? Who is the boss?
당신 선생님은 누구입니까?
Who is your teacher? Who is your teacher?
누가 놀고 있나요?
Who is playing? Who is playing?
누가 노래하고 있나요?
Who is singing? Who is singing?
당신 이웃은 누구인가요?
Who is your neighbor? Who is your neighbor?
누가 도와주나요?
Who is helping? Who is helping?
누가 요리하나요?
Who is cooking? Who is cooking?
누구를 제일 좋아해요?
Who is your favorite? Who is your favorite?
저녁 식사에 누가 오나요?
Who is coming to dinner? Who is coming to dinner?
매니저가 누구예요?
Who is the manager? Who is the manager?
파티에 누가 오나요?
Who is coming to the party? Who is coming to the party?
사진 속에 누가 있나요?
Who is in the picture? Who is in the picture?
그 방에 누가 있나요?
Who is in the room? Who is in the room?
이거 누가 만들었나요?
Who is making this? Who is making this?
When?
당신의 생일은 언제입니까?
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
당신의 휴가는 언제입니까?
When is your vacation? When is your vacation?
다음 기차는 언제입니까?
When is the next train? When is the next train?
시험은 언제입니까?
When is the exam? When is the exam?
당신은 언제 자나요?
When do you go to bed? When do you go to bed?
당신은 언제 일어나나요?
When do you wake up? When do you wake up?
당신은 언제 아침 먹나요?
When do you eat breakfast? When do you eat breakfast?
당신은 언제 시작할래요?
When do you start? When do you start?
당신 언제 도착했어요?
When did you arrive? When did you arrive?
당신 일 언제 끝냈어요?
When did you finish work? When did you finish work?
당신 그거 언제 샀어요?
When did you buy that? When did you buy that?
당신 요리 언제 배웠어요?
When did you learn to cook? When did you learn to cook?
당신 언제 돌아올 거예요?
When will you come back? When will you come back?
당신 언제 끝낼 거예요?
When will you finish? When will you finish?
당신 프로젝트 언제 시작할 거예요?
When will you start the project? When will you start the project?
당신 가정은 언제 꾸릴 거예요?
When will you start a family? When will you start a family?
우리 언제 만날 수 있어요?
When can we meet? When can we meet?
당신 언제 일할 수 있어요?
When can you work? When can you work?
우리 언제 갈 수 있나요?
When can we go? When can we go?
제가 언제 방문할 수 있나요?
When can I visit? When can I visit?
Where?
어디에서 오셨어요?
Where are you from? Where are you from?
어디 가세요?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
공항이 어디입니까?
Where is the airport? Where is the airport?
화장실이 어디죠?
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
버스 정류장이 어디인가요?
Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station?
기차역이 어디입니까?
Where is the train station? Where is the train station?
도서관이 어디죠?
Where is the library? Where is the library?
영화관이 어디에 있습니까?
Where is the movie theater? Where is the movie theater?
카페가 어디 있습니까?
Where is the cafe? Where is the cafe?
당신 고향이 어디예요?
Where is your hometown? Where is your hometown?
당신이 가장 좋아하는 공원은 어디예요?
Where is your favorite park? Where is your favorite park?
오늘 밤 파티는 어디서 하나요?
Where is the party tonight? Where is the party tonight?
당신은 어디서 일하시나요?
Where do you work? Where do you work?
당신은 어디에 사세요?
Where do you live? Where do you live?
당신은 어디가 좋아요?
Where do you like? Where do you like?
당신은 어디에 가고 싶나요?
Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go?
당신은 그들을 어디서 만났나요?
Where did you meet them? Where did you meet them?
당신 그거 어디서 찾았어요?
Where did you find that? Where did you find that?
당신 어제 어디 갔었어요?
Where did you go yesterday? Where did you go yesterday?
당신 차 어디에 주차했어요?
Where did you park your car? Where did you park your car?
What?
이거 뭐예요?
What is this? What is this?
저거 뭐예요?
What is that? What is that?
당신 이름이 뭐예요?
What is your name? What is your name?
당신 직업이 뭐예요?
What is your job? What is your job?
당신 취미가 뭐예요?
What is your hobby? What is your hobby?
당신 좋아하는 색깔이 뭐예요?
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
당신 좋아하는 음식이 뭐예요?
What is your favorite food? What is your favorite food?
당신 좋아하는 동물이 뭐예요?
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
뭐 하고 있어요?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
지금 뭐 하고 있어요?
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
무슨 얘기하는 거예요?
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
뭐 하세요?
What do you do? What do you do?
뭐라고 생각하세요?
What do you think? What do you think?
무슨 뜻이에요?
What do you mean? What do you mean?
무엇을 좋아해요?
What do you like? What do you like?
무슨 공부하세요?
What do you study? What do you study?
뭐라고 하셨죠?
What did you say? What did you say?
뭐 드셨나요?
What did you eat? What did you eat?
뭐 사셨어요?
What did you buy? What did you buy?
뭐 찾았어요?
What did you find? What did you find?
How?
어떻게 지내세요?
How are you? How are you?
오늘 어때요?
How are you today? How are you today?
기분이 어때요?
How are you feeling? How are you feeling?
가족들은 잘 지내시죠?
How is your family? How is your family?
몇 살이세요?
How old are you? How old are you?
당신은요?
How about you? How about you?
어떻게 도와드릴까요?
How can I help you? How can I help you?
얼마나?
How many? How many?
커피 어떻게 해드릴까요?
How do you like your coffee? How do you like your coffee?
몸을 어떻게 유지하시나요?
How do you stay fit? How do you stay fit?
긴장을 어떻게 푸시나요?
How do you relax? How do you relax?
시간을 어떻게 관리하세요?
How do you manage time? How do you manage time?
얼마예요?
How much is it? How much is it?
티켓 얼마예요?
How much is the ticket? How much is the ticket?
식사는 어떠셨나요?
How was your meal? How was your meal?
여행은 어땠어요?
How was your trip? How was your trip?
프로젝트는 어땠나요?
How was your project? How was your project?
당신 어떻게 잤어요?
How did you sleep? How did you sleep?
날씨 어때요?
How's the weather? How's the weather?
직업 어때요?
How's your job? How's your job?
Why? 왜 그렇게 생각하시나요?
Why do you think so? Why do you think so?
왜 그것을 좋아하나요?
Why do you like it? Why do you like it?
왜 그렇게 느끼시나요?
Why do you feel that way? Why do you feel that way?
왜 그것을 믿나요?
Why do you believe it? Why do you believe it?
왜 동의하나요?
Why do you agree? Why do you agree?
왜 반대하나요?
Why do you disagree? Why do you disagree?
왜 가고 싶나요?
Why do you want to go? Why do you want to go?
왜 그걸 더 좋아하나요?
Why do you prefer that? Why do you prefer that?
왜 그게 필요하나요?
Why do you need it? Why do you need it?
그게 왜 중요하나요?
Why is it important? Why is it important?
그게 왜 필요하나요?
Why is it necessary? Why is it necessary?
왜 이를 선택했나요?
Why did you choose this job? Why did you choose this job?
왜 그런 결정을 했나요?
Why did you decide that? Why did you decide that?
왜 오셨나요?
Why did you come? Why did you come?
왜 시작했나요?
Why did you start? Why did you start?
왜 그런 말을 했나요?
Why did you say that? Why did you say that?
왜 놀라세요?
Why are you surprised? Why are you surprised?
왜 웃어요?
Why are you smiling? Why are you smiling?
왜 화났어요?
Why are you upset? Why are you upset?
왜 행복해요?
Why are you happy? Why are you happy?
고생하셨습니다. 앞으로도 계속 따라 말해주세요.